There's no reason to be eating plain chicken and rice. This high-protein chicken fajita is incredibly delicious and so easy to make. Slice your chicken breast, then season with oregano, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then make the green sauce with fat-free yogurt, light mayo, coriander, garlic cloves, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Blend till creamy, then cook the chicken for 3 minutes on each side till golden brown. Set the chicken aside, then add onions and bell peppers before adding washed uncooked rice. Season again and toast, then add water. Bring to a light bubble, then cover and simmer for 8 minutes till fully cooked. Serve with a generous amount of the green sauce and enjoy.